keep you informed as to what those submissions are saying. So we don't hopefully have to wait till the last day.
The last day, okay, that'd be
So
good.
you will put them around as they're received.
Yes.
So we can get a head start on them. Yes.
Yes.
Councillor
Okay.
Minsha.
Thank you.
So my question back to the thing is, so when will I see basically what's going out to the ratepayer so I can sort of work out whether they're the right questions, because it's so complex that are we going to have a workshop on that to get the right questions out there that we perceive as...
Ms. Gilbert.
All right, so if you look at, I know you've had a number of handouts. I'm talking about the red line version because we've made some changes since the preliminary version was done. If you turn through pages, you've got the first one says 1 of 1 at the bottom. Turn past that and you get 1 of 5. Turn past 1, 3, 5 of 5. And at the bottom you'll see something that says 1 of 4. Okay, so this is the summary statement of proposal. So there's the formal statement, which was all the preceding pages. This is the summary that will go to, it'll go in the mail to all non-resident ratepayers, and also a version of this will also get published in all the local newspapers. So the first part just gives a bit of an introduction to, Council wants to consult on this proposal and put some technical information in there. And then if you turn the page, you get a summary, what the policy is intended to do,